Lux Trading Firm, Alternative and Comparison. That's what we're going to be covering in this video. So let's jump straight into it. At the top, you'll see the prop firm and the challenge type, Traders with Edge Turtle, Traders with Edge Hare, Lux Trading Firm. You'll see the size of the account we're using is a $10,000 account across the board to compare apples with apples. The maximum account size after scaling is the amount that the prop firm will fund you up to. So if you're a consistently profitable trader, the prop firm will typically keep adding funds to your account to grow the account size that you manage. The maximum account size that Traders with Edge will scale you up to is 3 million, and with Lux Trading, they'll scale you up to 2.5 million. Do they have a rapid scaling plan? Yes, both firms have a rapid scaling plan. If you're on traderswithedge.com and you go up to challenges, scaling plans, you'll see a page that looks like this. It talks about the different types of scaling plans that we have available, and it gives some case studies, and it also shows you just how much faster a rapid scaling plan will grow your account than using a traditional type scaling plan. We've even built a calculator down below where you can put in your particulars. It will tell you just how much more money you'll make on a rapid scaling plan than you would with a traditional type scaling plan. So back to our Lux Trading Firm Alternative and Comparison, what you'll see here is the number of phases. So the Turtle account is a 1-phase account, the Traders with Edge Hare account is a 2-phase, and the Lux Trading Firm is a 1-phase account. The price here in US dollars is $100 for the Traders with Edge Turtle, $180 for the Hare, and $428 odd for the Lux Trading Firm account. It's important to note that Lux Trading charges in pounds, and so we've converted it the current exchange rate to US dollars to give the approximation of $428 US. Is the fee refundable? It's not refundable on the Traders with Edge Turtle account. It is refundable on both the Traders with Edge Hare and the Lux Trading Firm account. How the refund typically works is once you've passed the challenge, you're on a funded account and you're eligible for your first payout, you'll receive a refund of the amount that you paid for the challenge along with your first payout. Target for phase 1 is 10% for both the Traders with Edge accounts, and it's 6% for Lux Trading Firm. The target for phase 2 is not applicable for the Turtle. It's a 1-phase account, and the Traders with Edge Hare is 5% target. The Lux Trading Firm account is a 1-phase account in that you can get funded after the first step, but then to increase your capital, you need to make a 10% profit at every step. So your target for phase 2 we've put here as 10%. Maximum drawdown is 5% for the Turtle, 10% for the Hare, and 4% for the Lux Trading Firm. The daily drawdown is 2.5% for the Turtle, 5% for the Hare, and not applicable for the Lux Trading Firm because 4% is your maximum. Next, we've got the profit share. Traders with Edge, we pay 80% to the trader. So if you make a $10,000 profit, you keep $8,000 of that profit, and we keep only 20%. With Lux, they pay you 75% of the profit to start with, and then what they do, once you reach a 500k account, then they drop it to 50%. So they actually reduce your profit share over time. Whereas with Traders with Edge, we keep your profit share at 80%, no matter if you're trading a $10,000 account or a $3 million account. The minimum trading days is 10 minimum trading days at Traders with Edge both accounts, and the minimum trading days is 29 with Lux. The minimum trading days for phase 2 is only applicable for the Traders with Edge Hare account, and that's 10 minimum trading days. The trading period is 365 days, so you've got 1 full year on the Turtle account and you've got 30 days on the Hare account. Lux Trading Firm says you've got unlimited time, but I'm pretty sure you're not going to be still trying to pass the challenge in 10 years from now. Trading period for phase 2 is only applicable for the Traders with Edge Hare account. It's not applicable for both others. Can you hold over weekends? Yes, you can on both the Traders with Edge Turtle and the Lux Trading Firm, but you can't with the Traders with Edge Hare account because you've got higher leverage. Can you use EAs? Yes, you can with all of them. Traders with Edge, we say just seek approval first. The reason is because every prop firm has a rule that says you cannot trade exactly the same trades as someone else is trading, which means if someone else has the same EA as you have and they're already trading for the prop firm, what will happen is you might be able to pass the prop firm challenge and then get onto a funded account, and then they'll realize that you're trading the same strategy as someone else and you'll lose your account due to that rule. That's why we say you need to seek approval from us for trading. Now, what I'm talking about here is only fully automated EAs. If you want to use an EA to calculate your position size, to manually enter the trade, to manage the trade, and to help you exit the trade, that's completely fine. We actually encourage that you do use Trade Manager because it makes your trading more accurate and easier. What we're talking about here is fully automated EAs. EAs. Lux Trading Firm, you can use EAs, but they have conditions that you have to stick within. Are you allowed to trade signals? You can with Traders with Edge. You can't with Lux Trading Firm. Can you trade news? Yes, you're allowed to on both firms. Do you get a free retry? You don't get a free retry on the Turtle account because it doesn't make any sense. You've got a full year to pass the challenge, so you don't get a free retry. Lux Trading Firm, you don't get a free retry either. The Traders with Edge Hair account, you do get a free retry. How this works is, if at the end of your trading period, you're in profit and you haven't violated any rules, but the time's run out, so you just haven't been able to reach that profit target, we'll issue you a free retry automatically. Can you trade Forex? Yes, you can on all accounts. Can you trade digital currencies? Yes, to all accounts. Commodities? Yes, to all accounts. Indices? Yes, to all accounts. Trade, share, and stock CFDs? Yes, you can on all accounts. Do they have trading competitions? So Traders with Edge does have trading competitions. You can enter the competition. You can trade for a period of time. The top traders will win a challenge account. It's free to enter, and we run these regularly. Do they have giveaways? Traders with Edge has giveaways. Lux Trading Firm at this time, it seems they don't. Here's an example of a giveaway that we ran recently. You could enter the competition with your name and email to go in the running to win one of 3 $50,000 prop challenge accounts. We may not have that giveaway running at the time that you watch this video, but it's an example of giveaways that we do run. Do they have trader education? Yes, both firms have trader education. Do they have an affiliate program? Yes, Traders with Edge has got an affiliate program that pays up to 20% for the lifetime of the client. So that means if you refer someone today and they purchase in 6 months or 1 year, it doesn't matter. We're still going to pay you commission for referring that person to us as many times as they purchase. Lux Trading Firm also has an affiliate program and they pay 12.5%. So that concludes our alternative to Lux Trading and comparison. If you've got any questions, then please reach out to us at the website, traderswithedge.com. We're always on live chat. Join the Telegram group or leave a comment below the video. Have a great day.